Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload 4K Reels on Instagram. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So first of all, you have to go to Instagram here. Once you're into your Instagram, on the bottom right side corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now on the top right you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on it, right? And here you will get an option of data, right? So if you're not able to find the option of data, you can just always search for it, where in the latest version of Instagram you have an option to search for it, right? So here we will just write here data, and here you can see data usage and media quality. So upload at highest quality, this is right now off, so you have to turn it on. Once you have turned it on, you can just instantly upload your reels in the highest quality. So this is how you can upload 4K reels on Instagram. I hope you found this video very useful. But one more thing guys, your video should be in 4K, right? So it's not like that if your video is in 1080p and automatically it will be in 4K on Instagram. No, you have to make a video in 4K, then only you can upload your video will become a 4K over Instagram. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.